Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today we are going to conduct our assignment 1, which Code of Professional Conduct in Engineering Ethics. Here with us is Muhammad Amarazali from BMKV Pengarang, one of engineer inside. So I am Muhammad Haiqal bin Kamaruddin and my matric number is B0920101168.
And I am Sharizal bin Shafie. My matrix number B09 09201003.
And my name is Muhammad Azrul Hakim bin Ahmad. You can call me Azrul. My matric number B0920102277.
Okay, so Ahmad, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi everyone. Assalamualaikum.
So,
My name is Muhammad Razali. So I'm an engineer in PrefCam as a mechanical static engineer, covering for turnaround work, which is actually this PrefCam is it's a joint venture company between Petronas and Saudi Aramco. So it's a new constructed facilities in Pengerang, which is we started running on 2018 and still currently on the run until now.
Okay. So so we start with our first question. So Ahmad, can you explain the fundamental principles outlined in the engineering codes of ethics that guide your professional conduct?
So actually, as an engineer in the oil and gas sector, adherence to the engineering code of ethics enters prioritizing safety, environmental responsibility, honesty, and integrity. This involves upholding professional competence, being accountable for decisions, avoiding conflict of interest, and respecting law and regulation. Engineers must prioritize public welfare, ensuring that their work minimize risk, reduce environmental impact, and serve the best interest of society while maintaining transparency and ethical conduct in all aspects of their professional practice. That's what I think it is.
okay, the next question. How does the code of ethics influence your decision and making process when faced with ethical dilemmas in your engineering practice?
I think the engineering code of ethics direct decision making in the oil and gas sector by emphasizing safety, environmental care, and public well-being as top priority. When facing ethical dilemmas, engineers must consider this principle above financial interests, ensuring they make choices that prioritize people's safety, protect the environment, and maintain honesty and responsibility in their action. The code serves as a guide, directing engineers to make decisions that align with this ethical standard, even when faced with conflicting pressure.
Okay, so for next question, sir, what measures do you take to ensure that your engineering design and projects comply with ethical standards and prioritize public safety and well-being?
With the engineering design and projects comply with ethical standard and prioritize public safety well-being. Certainly, as an engineer, ensuring that my design and project comply with ethical standard and prioritize public safety involve a few key steps. I follow rules and best practices, assess risk, and involve experts to cover all safety aspects. Regular checks are done to catch any problem early on, and I communicate openly about safety measures. I keep learning to stay updated and make sure that everyone is aware and engaged in keeping things safe.
Okay. So last question for Ahmad. How do you navigate conflicts of interest that may arise between your professional responsibilities and personal interests in the field of engineering?
When conflict arises between my professional duty as engineer and my personal interests, I handle them by being honest about any conflicts and taking to others for advice, like my supervisor or my superior. I always prioritize my professional responsibility and the public interest over my personal interest. If needed, I may step back from making decisions that could influence by my personal interest to ensure fairness and ethical behavior.
Okay, that's all my our question. Uh,
Okay. I hope you guys will take this as a guideline to your professional career later on. So good luck on your assignment and have a good day.
okay,
Alright.
thank you,
Thank you.
Encik
Thank you,
Ahmad.
Thank you, sir.
Amma.
So,
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Sharizal bin Shafie. My matrix number B09201003.
And my name is Muhammad Azrul Hakim Ahmad. My matrix number B09201027.
And my name is Muhammad Najmi Haiqal bin Kamaruddin. And my matric number is B0920101168.
Okay, today my team to interview you for our assignment of OSHA. Before our team start ask a few questions about this task, can you introduce yourself, your career, and about your company?
Okay, thank you for having me. Assalamualaikum. Okay, my name is Ahmad bin Abdul Latif. Currently, I'm working as a turnaround planners, which involve planning for the shutdown in one of oil and gas company in Pengerang, which is Pengerang Refinery company, pre-RefCam. Currently, we are in the stage of planning for the shutdowns, and we expect to have our shutdowns in 2025. I think that's all about me and my working career.
Okay, okay, thank you. And now, for first question, what is the primary purpose of the BEM Code of Professional Conduct for your opinion?
I see. Basically, the primary purpose of the BM Code of Professional Conduct is to provide a set of ethical guidelines and standard the engineers in Malaysia should adhere in order to maintain the integrity and professionalism of engineering profession itself.
All right. So for the second question, so Mr. Azri, can you name some key principles emphasized in the BAM Code of Professional Conduct?
Okay. As for the key principle for the BM Code of Professional Conduct, I believe it highlights as integrity, competence, confidentiality, and professional responsibility. This principle basically collective guidelines for the engineers in their ethical decision making and professional behavior. Because as an engineer, you cannot run from making such a decision in your careers.
Okay, we move to next question. So, Encik Azri, how does the BEM code address conflicts of interest for engineers?
Okay. In the BM code itself, actually it requires engineer to disclose any potential conflicts of interest and take a necessary step to ensure that the professional judgment is not has been compromised. And the engineer also, they are expected to prioritize the interests of the clients, the employers, the public over their personal or financial interests.
Okay, and for the last question for our team, what is the engineer's responsibility concern public safety according to the BEM code?
Okay, basically the BM code underscore the engineer's paramount responsibility for the public safety. And the engineers are required to prioritize the health, the safety of the public in the professional activities and ensuring that their work does not compromise the well-being of individuals or the communities itself.
Oh, so that's all from us. Thank you for your sharing and
Okay.
for your experience and insights today. It's been a pleasure learning more about your qualifications and how they align with our needs. We appreciate your time and have a good day.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.